So this is the video from YouTube. You could find this video showing recording the wind tunnel and the aerofoil here. So and then we will use the smoke generator here to create a thin line, a white thin line here to show the effectiveness of the aerofoil here. So you may have a lot of these kind of videos in YouTube. I hope you could find it by yourself. So from this, for example, if we turn it around like this, so we could get a turbulent here and so on and so forth. And then if we change it into this one, okay, we could have a different streamline here. We could have the turbulent flow at the back here, and so on and so forth. So the idea here is actually, because the experimental cost might be high compared to the simulation, it is worth nowadays, because we have high technology in computer, so we could simulate our aerofoil, our object, our model before we could produce it, or before we could make the prototype. It might be can reduce the cost as well as the time. So this is another video showing the evaluation of aerofoil, but we use the aeroplane model here to show what actually happened if we have aerofoil and we have a wind blow from right to left in this situation. So you could see here that the wind that flow around the aerofoil here will create different pressure, so that it could lift the aerofoil upwards. So in another meaning, it could create a lift force that could make an aeroplane fly. So this is a very simple experiment to show how to create the lift force on the aerofoil. So because actually we cannot see the streamline here, so if we want to see the streamline, so we need to use the smoke generator, as I show you in the previous video. So but in this video we are looking on the effectiveness of the aerofoil and the generation of lift force